We are here at the Wichita Tower. Wichita Falls, Texas. Come on in.
Come on in.
Thank you.
What floor?
7, please.
How's your day going?
Pretty good.
Good?
So far.
Same here.
Got to go out and do some visits out on campuses today.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah.
You work for schools?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We contract with the school district, so I got people out in campuses providing supports to students.
Awesome.
So I got to go out and do some programming.
Cool. Have a great day.
You as well.
Up to 9 we go. There's a newer Lexan.
Let's see, there's a bathroom here.
Okay. Look at Otis. It's gone to 1. Seven-story building. This is definitely was a replacement. Cool. Well, I didn't expect this. That was one thing they added on. Look at those buttons. This is actually a complete replacement of the original elevators. This is not a mod. Got the newer Lexan from the 1980s. See, look at that. 1980s Otis. Even now, if you look here, in the middle, that is an older indicator. I guess that is going to be it for me.